Hello friends and potential friends. Oh look, Turtle's been over eating breakfast. Well, it's kind of a drizzly day here in Daytona, or at least that's the way it started off. Starting to see some blue skies now. But for right now, everything's wet out here, and I'm not going to be able to get out and tame any more of that jungle. Though as you can see, I've gotten quite a bit of it done. So I spent the morning sorting through seeds, and it's time to get the lab running again. Good indoor activity. Well, it's kind of messy outdoors. Let's see what we can get going here. Let there be light. So there's what I've got to work with. Think I'll do a little bit of cleaning up in here. And I brought me a package of seeds out with me, so I have something to get started with. A little bit of sweeping, a little bit of dusting, and then a lot of playing in the dirt. So let me get started. I've been itching to get this thing going again for several months now, and the time has come. And just like that, the lab is back in business. And let me tell you what I got planted so far. Starting in the back corner, we've got 6 cups of mammoth basil. In front of that is 6 cups of holy basil or Tulsi basil. Next we have 6 cups of Genovese basil, 6 cups of cilantro. Next row back, we've got 6 cups of cabbage collards. Those seeds came from my friends Chris and Darlene at Homesteading the Hard Way. In front of those, there's some Georgia Southern Creole collards, which I've never grown before, but we'll see what they're like. Then we have some Vates Blue Scotch Curled Kale. Next row back, we've got Rainbow Swiss Chard. Next to that is Lucellus Swiss Chard. I planted 6 cups of Black Beauty eggplant. I've tried growing them in the spring, and they just do not like the heat around here, so I'm going to try them in the winter. Next to those is the Waltham broccoli. Then we have Brussels sprouts. I planted 6 more cups of Mary Washington asparagus because I need to fill out the ends of the patient's garden. Then we have Vanilla Sky hybrid cauliflower. Some catnip for the kitties. And next row back we've got some Mishihili Asian cabbage, right next to some golden acre cabbage. Then we have Ishiko green onions and green noble spinach. I tried growing spinach one time a number of years ago, and it just does not like to grow down here in the south. And then my usual favorites for the winter tomatoes. We've got a tray for Roma tomatoes, one for Everglades tomatoes, that's a cherry tomato, and of course the Praxis cherry tomatoes. And in the back corner there we've got Homestead tomatoes and Floridad tomatoes. And I've got 3 more trays of 6 cups that I don't have anything planted in, so I think I'm going to have to go look through my seeds a little bit more. And of course I've also got a wide variety of lettuces and cabbages and things like that, which I'll be direct sowing probably in green stalks or maybe in the beds, just filling in spaces, because this is the time of year that I get to grow all my greens. Now I know there's probably a few people out there screaming at me for planting tomato seeds this time of year, but just keep in mind we do things just a little bit different down here in Florida. Winter is actually my best season. That's one of the many reasons that I have no problems with giving up my summer crops to go out to Idaho to help out my mom, because I can get an early harvest before June, and in July and August most everything is dying around here anyway because I just cannot handle the heat. But anyway, I finally got the crop started. I feel a lot better about that. Looking forward to seeing them sprout. I just need to get these lights lowered down a little bit more. And then we go into maintenance mode, waiting to see all the little babies sprout up. So that's where the lab's at now. A lot better than where it was at when I started this video. And I'll see you next time.